Hello, this is a quick reference guide to split, sort, filter on Excel. We want to take all these values that are in column A that are all separated by commas, and we want to split them into columns A, B, and C that will be labeled first name, last name, and hero name. So first thing, you want to click column A, so it highlights all the values, click data ribbon, go to text to columns, keep delimited highlighted, because what that tells Excel is we want to pull out the values that are separated by commas, spaces, etc. Well, since we know that all values don't have any spaces in them, we're just going to only click on comma. Click next, keep it general, and you can see down here in the preview box that all of this is correct. Click finish, and now it's all separated. Next thing we want to do is we want to count, for instance, in column B, how many values are there. So you'll type in equals subtotal, open parentheses. Now, it's asking us for a function number. So we're going to go over to Formula Builder, click function number, and nobody's expected to memorize this. So we're going to go over here to the help button, and we are looking for count A, which is going to count all the values that we're looking for. Now we're going to make sure we do 103 because those are all the values that don't include hidden values. And this is important later because it will change as we change what's visible on the screen. So we're going to go over here, type in 103. Now our reference is going to be B2 all the way down to B96. We don't want to include B1 because we want to keep that there. We don't want it to be included. 96. And we're going to click done. So see, now we have 95 values, not including B1. Next, we want to sort columns A, B, and C. Get rid of that formula bar. And we're going to go to Home, Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. And since there are 3 commands we want to give Excel, first one is, and make sure you click on My List Has Headers. Because if you don't, then first, last, and hero will all be mixed in with everything else when you sort them. First thing we want to do is take hero, then last name, then first name. For hero, we want to go from Z to A, last name Z to A, first name keep it on A to Z. Next, we will click OK. And now the one that really matters to us is column C. Now all the hero names are sorted by A to Z. I'm sorry, to Z to A. Now, the final thing we want to make an example of is we want to create filters for columns A, B, and C. So what you want to do is you want to click on Sort and Filter again, click Filter, and now if you notice over here, they have drop-down boxes now. Okay, so for example, to use these, all right, let's say we want to do a filter for hero names that have a U in them. So you click on Contains U, and now it sorts all the hero names that have U in them. And that's basically a quick reference guide to learn how to split, sort, and filter on Excel. Now, up here at the top, there are links to videos to really go in depth on how split, sort, and filter work. Thanks for watching. My name is Will Archer, and I'm a business finance major at Georgia State.